Welcome to today's Q&A about how a single mum creates businesses using Claude, okay? And so these are questions that have been asked, and this is the answers to them, obviously, when it's a Q&A. So, can you build a real business using Claude with no coding experience? Yes, you can. Yes, I'm a single mother in my town in Victoria, Australia, and I've got no formal coding qualifications at all. I do have a Bachelor of Visual Art and a Fine Art, that's it, and a double degree in Criminology and Psychological Science. But I've never had any coding experience. My brother actually gave me a Dreamweaver CD disc 26 years ago, and I always messed around creating dog websites. I used to breed and show bull mastiffs, and then I started to use, when Shopify came out, I used Shopify for my art. You're going to hear my daughter's dog in the background, and I used Shopify to create a service business. So there was really no understanding of coding. So I knew what HTML was. I don't even know what the word means, but I was able to create websites without understanding coding because they started to create template kind of things. Even Dreamweaver was slightly templatey. So I was able to use things like that. So no, you don't, okay? But I have to say that I've built all the platforms that I've built and so let's name them. So I've built them in like under 8 weeks, okay? And contentfactoryai.org, Selen House, Nest and Nurture Society, Koyo Trade, Calls Health, Entertain You, Leah Justice, Art Gallery, Pico the Clown, and several others, okay? If I didn't have experience in what I did, I wouldn't have been able to create them as quick as I have. The first one that I really created, which was really Selen House, is massive, and it's always going to keep on growing. Selen House, there's always lots of little things I want to add on it. If I didn't have the mind that I had, if I didn't have the experience that I had, I wouldn't be able to have done how big it is at such a quick rate. Like, it's a $300,000 website easily. It would take people that used to be teams of people to create something like that within 12 to 18 months. And I did that website. It was probably took about 2.5 weeks. I was lucky if I slept 3 hours a day. And now it's been 3 hours a night, it's been months, okay? It's been 2 months basically of that, sleeping about 3 hours a night to create all these. And so, yes, you definitely can create websites. It depends on what level that you want to get to as well, so you can create a website over a few hours, over a few days, definitely. For me, I kept on creating bits and pieces that I invented things. The grid, for example, for Selen House and Leah Justice, I invented things, basically. I created things. I wouldn't have been able to create them with the limitations of Dreamweaver, with the limitations of Shopify, for example. Wix, I even tried to create a website on, what's that platform that everyone uses, WordPress or something like that, and I thought, how can people do this? It was so painful to try to use, And then Claude came along, and Claude makes mistakes, and you have to kind of fix them as you go along. But yes, you definitely can without any coding experience, because you'll learn it. If you're up for learning skills, then yes, you definitely create it. How long does it take to build a SaaS platform using Claude AI? My fastest platform took under a week from concept to live deployment. Most took between 1 and 3 weeks per platform, working evenings and full days of marketing, okay? So when it comes to it, in that 8 weeks, I've created like 10 websites. One of them has 3 different businesses attached to it, kind of thing. And there's one of them that I reskin the style of it, and so it's a directory, and I reskin it for each one. So when you do that, when I do the reskins, it probably still takes around about 16 hours kind of thing, because you've got to make sure that everything's right, okay? So majority of them are created from scratch, where Koyo Trade, Calls, and Entertain You is all created from Koyo Trade, and then I reskin them after that, okay? The SaaS one really I felt the most is the contentfactoryai.org one, where I create products that you sell within it, so the generator and things like that. So Content Factory has also been a build that I continue to build on. It started off with a content generator and went like that. And so look, most of them, again, you need to know something, okay? So for me, if I went and created the content generator, and that took me a couple of hours to create, you can create one part of that content generator, and where I've seen a lot of ads on Instagram and Facebook, that they create one part to the content generator, which I've got 12 parts in it. I created that 12-part thing over like a 24-hour period, basically, Again, it's my knowledge and experience and the way that I think that has been able to allow me to do that. So don't think because you haven't been able to create something in 12 hours that you're not going to be able to, because all you need to keep on doing is doing it to the end. Keep on going. It's going to get there at some point, And so for me, I created a website that would take marketing businesses and teams 12 months in like a matter of 3-4 weeks because of Claude. But Claude you don't just go, hey, Claude, create me a website. It will do that to a minimal kind of thing, You need to be able to expand on what you want as well, to be able to design it different, all those kind of things, So you just need a little bit of thought to what you want to do. This is what I want to create. This is like, you need to know where it's going to go, How do single mums make money online in Australia in 2026? By building Claude AI. It's not the only way you're going to make money in Australia, okay? There's lots of ways that you can make money. And for me, I'm an entrepreneur. And so when AI came around, I've become an AI entrepreneur, basically, And so the way that you make money on them, though, is you can build something, then you have to sell what you build. And so I see lots of, YouTube vids about this is how you can make money on with content, with make $1,000 on the weekend. That would be rare if you built something and then automatically made $1,000, because you have to market it. Okay, people aren't there yet with understanding AI. It's a new thing. It's not a new thing. It's been around for a while, but people are a bit. So how do you sell it? You know what I mean? You have to market it after that. So I've got multiple businesses, and I spend half of my day, more than half of my day, it's like 8 hours really marketing them all. There's multiple. And then I am spending the rest of it creating, or sometimes I don't market and I create, because I'm creating YouTube videos, I'm creating content for all the platforms. There's all these things I'm doing. So when you're thinking about making money, it's not as easy as I'm going to create a website on Claude and I'm going to make money from that. There's things that you have to do after that, okay? So, like for me, I've got a website up and it's leahjustice.com. I paint large-scale artworks and I paint them for interior designers. So there's a website that I've created on Claude, and then because we do AEO, I'm the AEO specialist basically, that's what Content Factory AI. So these are platforms that are created, yeah? And so the contentfactoryai.org and leahjustice.com, because I create that, all the art that I sell for $3,500 minimum each one, that's how I'm also making money in Australia in 2026 as a single mum, if you know anything about, if you've ever thought about or looked into how to make money, they always say bring in multiple streams of income, so creating something on Claude is not going to guarantee you money. You have to keep on doing stuff after you create something in Claude, and so it's like you create a website, it doesn't guarantee you money. People have businesses where they're service providers, they create a website, it doesn't guarantee them customers. You have to do things after you build that website, So, yes, that is how I create money in Australia as a single parent, because I have money coming in from many sources on a regular basis, daily, because I've spent all this time doing all these things, What is the best AI tool for building a business from scratch? I actually don't know what the best is, okay, but I was just using ChatGPT to fill in my days, to stop the scroll. I love being educated. I love learning things. And then one morning I woke up and I discovered Claude. I didn't even see any ads about Claude or anything before that. And I just went, oh, this codes, okay. And then I just built the content generator. I built Selen House and then built the content generator, knowing that because I built Selen House, I knew I was going to be able to just continue to build websites the way I do, okay? And so then I created the content generator after I created Selen House. Selen House really took me about 3 weeks, I reckon, and it was full on, and I just couldn't sleep, because I had to create it. And I was just so amazed with how I was able to have an idea and it was able to create it for me. Like there's multiple things that I've created on there. Just the grid itself, okay, is something that is created that somebody might be able to create that, and that's it. We're putting it all together is a massive thing, you know. And so Claude is not necessarily the best, but it works well for what I do, you know. So if there's other platforms out there that you love, then use it, you know. And I think it's $160 is what I spend it on. And sometimes you can do so, but you can do 30, right? And so I think it gives you a couple of free goes, and then you could spend $30 and you could make some websites. If I'm not physically working, I am creating on Claude, whether it be it helping me create ideas for different content. I use the contentfactoryai.org obviously for content creation, as in the ideas for it, but I am constantly on Claude now. I use ChatGPT sometimes to create some images that I want on the websites. And so now it's always Claude. And so I tell you, I'm on Claude 16 hours a day easily since I discovered it 2.5 months ago, you know. So that $160 I'm spending a month is well and truly worth it, because the industries that I've built in are billion-dollar industries as well, right? And so I've created businesses that are alternatives to what is out there in the industries in Australia. So people are going to get paid better. There's better platforms to be on, so they keep more of their money. All these things I looked at, what are the pain points of these particular industries, or if I'd been in those industries, I already knew what pain points were. And I built platforms around fixing those pain points for people. That's what I did. And then that becomes passive income. Like when somebody uses one of my directories and they use it for each of the membership, that's passive income. So it took me X amount of weeks to build a website that for the rest of its life makes passive income, you know. What's the next thing? That's the next question. I might do one more question and then just leave it at that, and then I'm going to do lots of these millions of questions, all right, because it really helps you understand what I do with Claude. I don't know what anyone else does. I don't have time to watch anyone else's stuff. I'm too busy building my empires, all right? Is it possible to build multiple businesses at once using AI? Definitely is. I do it. If what I might end up doing is doing little courses and builds with people, okay, as in you watch it and you follow along and learn how to build it, okay, instead of like a written blueprint or something like that. You can just follow along and you can build it as well. I build multiple at one time because I'm always adding to it. I'm somebody that this is what it is here, and then if I want to add more, which is why I create multiple businesses, because if I've actually finished one and I'm satisfied with that, and then I just spend my time marketing that, I might be able to create something similar to that, like koyotrade.com, callshealth.org, and entertainyou.com. It might be entertainyou.com.org, one of them. I forget which one it is because I've just done that. It's not finished yet, but it's pretty close to, right? So I might do courses to show you how you can create similar things like that. Not a big website like that, but they would be little ones, so then the content's not going to be 16 hours worth of content for you to follow along with, you know. And so I have multiple on the go. So even Selen House is always going to get added to. LeahJustice.com, I've got thousands of artworks in my house that I need to take photos of to put up online. And then because I'm constantly putting on anchor pages and blog pages, then I'm always, every single day, there is several websites that I am changing every single day. So constantly got many on the go, you know. I'll do one more question. And what industries can you build a platform for using AI content, Claude AI, anything, okay? I don't know how other people use Claude. I don't know if I'm using Claude right. I don't care. What I'm doing is using Claude to create the businesses that I want to create, which is industries that were broken in Australia, and I create alternative versions of the broken industries for people to use, basically. Okay, that's my business. And I'm using Claude as a tool to create those businesses at a mass scale, okay? As in, there's no way that I could have created Selen House how I have and what I've done to it if Claude wasn't available, okay? And if there's other platforms that are exactly like Claude, then go ahead and use them. But if that wasn't available to me, I wouldn't have been able to create that, okay? Because they had such limitations in everything that they had. So any idea that you have, you could basically create using Claude, okay? So I can't even think out of the box that I think, because that's the way I think. But so I'm creating alternatives for industries that are broken in Australia. That's basically what I'm creating, whether it be a software thing or whether it be an entire platform that changes it. So Selen House is an art ecosystem, for example, okay? You've got Go Trade, which is the directory for, there's 177 services on it, and it's a global directory. And what happens is so many tradies are using High Pages and are using Airtasker, and they're losing money on, they're having to pay money, as some of them charge a membership, some of them charge a commission on the membership as well. So when that comes through them, they're losing 20% on their earnings, right? As well as some of them ask them, I really feel it's High Pages gets them to, they send out jobs and say, you can have a look at this job for X amount of dollars. And so all those businesses are about making a shitload of money off people. And for me, as an artist, I was ripped off creating art, and all those businesses out there that are like that are like Airtasker. And so what they do is they go, well, this is something, and this is a problem. Let's create a solution, but we're going to really rip them off with that solution. That's basically how most industries work, right? And so I went, well, here's the problem, here's the solution. The problem is you ripping off people. I'm going to do it so it's a bit more better for everyone else, as well as I'm still running a business. So it's going to be a better cost to them, as well as a better cost to me as well. So I don't have to charge X amount of dollars because I've got 10 businesses going as well, right? And so, okay. You can create it for whatever you want to create it for. I would actually love if people want to ask questions about things, then ask questions. I'll put my email address down, so if you ever wanted to send me an email, personal email, and have an idea, because you might not want to put your idea out there for everyone to try to copy as well, right? So send me an email if you want to have a chat. So the email will be in the description. I'll probably even do it down below. I really don't care. If you're a scammer, I just block you. You know, like, I'm not going to answer your questions. If you seem like a scammer, I'll just block you. So don't ask questions like you're a scammer. You know, there's so many scammers out there. Anyway, I'm doing that for the sheer purpose of for you to help you grow and not get stuck in the 9-to-5 life as well, because that's what really annoys me as part of the system is this is the limitations that they have. Well, Claude has given my mind no limitations, you know. So if you think like me, or if you want to create businesses or something like that and have an idea and want a little bit of help with doing that, or you can just get me to create them solely for you, which is, I'll put the link down there as well, which you'll go to contentfactoryai.org. If you want really specific kind of information, then yes, you would have to pay for it, because that is what I do, is I create websites and create businesses and industries for people. So there's only so much you can give away for free, but I'm happy to guide you, you know. So that is it for this particular one. That's the Q&As for that one. If you have any questions, then please ask them, because I will create content based around your questions. See you next vid.